Unfortunately, sa aking pinapanood na yung floor plan, kasi actually po, tuloy-tuloy pa rin namin.
Being a fans, kayo naman, sino yung ina-idolize nyo na makakollab na sikat na cosplayer or celebrity? And sino yung character na ipoportray?
Of course, it's very strawberry. Very pretty, very sexy, very demure, very kind, very respectful. She's my idol ever since birth.
Si Ate Alone. Siya talaga, no? Nag-inspire sa'yo overall from the start. Thank you so much. One last question. Thank you so much.
Wala po akong idol, but lahat ng cosplays na admire ko po, they're individuals and their own sense of fashion, sense of cosplay, type of cosplays, genre of cosplay.
So, everyone na nakikita mo rin sa cosplay, na-admire.
Cosplayer, sometimes you have sleepless night and do comics to do your merch, your wigs, your costume, and everything. So yeah, it's kind of one of the reality of being a cosplayer that sometimes everything you will lack sleep and work-life balance will not be that much proper.
There is a company na I started myself because one of those things that we look so fun and this character Black Joke. It just happened that it's really hard because I wanted just to share the character that I love and never to
So, yung mga pinaka-draw up ako, wala lang pakiram, ano siya, asset ko na ito, and if siya naman, pag may nag-body shape ako, ang ganit ko ako.
Oh, confident na lang. Ito binigay sa akin dito, di ba? Next! Alright, thank you so much. Mag-press daw tayo for our video photo op. For more information, gusto nyo silang makilala from our first batch to our second batch. Free. Once again, palakpakan mo lang sila. Thank you so much.
Short attendance check na for the test. Dito ba si Aaron Nomo? Aaron Nomo.